Alright, so I know this is usually a classic car channel, but so the washer at home decided to stop fucking draining. So I got it to go. It was working intermittently, then until they shit all together. So I got it drained, and then I checked I pulled the pump out the other day, and it had power going in, and it had no continuity through it. So this is the new pump right here, but same thing. And it's kind of like a secondary air injection pump for like a VW or GM, etc. It works in the same manner. So first order of business was drain the full washer, which could have used a shop vac, but I didn't feel like digging it out, so I used a cup and the mop bucket. I know it took me about 10 minutes, but it would take me longer to get the thing out. Now this is GE GTW460ASJ8WW. This pump actually fits a lot of GE and Whirlpool products. It's all the same. So I'm gonna show you how to change it out real fast. Like I said, get all the water out. I'm gonna say that's good enough. I'm gonna stick my bucket underneath when I do it, and we're gonna go there. All right, so first order of business, I need to undo the drain hose here with the hose clamp, and there's 3 bolts, well, screws, bolts, whatever. They're hex head, but they're actually like a plasticky coarse screw that hold the pump. And then there's the connector, which is back down yonder in there. So I got to take this cover off to access that. Alright, so now the cover's off. I disconnected the plug for the pump. Just like a car, you just push on it, pop it right out of the chingaders. It's got this little motherfucker here. You gotta pop that sumbitch out. And then those bolts. First order of business, I'm gonna undo this though. Last little bit of water coming out. Gonna undo these 3 screws, the 3/8 headed ones, and the pump will come right out. Old pump out. Sorry, the air is on. It's right next to my head. Old pump is out. Pop the new one in. All right, new pump is in. See the 3 hex-headed screws. They're in. We're gonna take our electrical connector. It only goes one way. And click. And then the next step, take your pliers, pinch the clamp, slip this on there, and then put your cover back on, because your cover also has the ground wire. Alright, so when you put your last 3 screws in the cover, actually these are bolts because they're actually machine thread. Remember your ground wire goes to that. But we're all hooked up. Let's give her a try. So I just plugged it in, and it's draining because it sensed a little bit of water that's in there. Done. It works. Are you happy, boss lady? Are you gonna pay the plumber? Well, it's actually draining and it's on spin right now, so I think it works. So just for fun, I'm running it on speed wash. Small load, cold, all that stuff, just to see if it works on a full cycle. Make sure everything's good. All right, so as you can see, whoop, it's draining. So, mission accomplished. We'll call that done. This is the pump on Amazon, $37.13. Pretty sure a lot of you idiots are gonna get charged over $100 for this, and you're gonna pay somebody $300 to do like 20 minutes of work. but GE pump fits all these models. I think they fit a bunch of Whirlpools too.